In today's digital world, children spend more time on screens and less time exploring, building, and thinking creatively. Many schools lack hands on STEM learning, and parents struggle to engage their kids with meaningful activities. Students are even missing out on essential industry ready skills. That's where Genie Science steps in, a powerful bridge to fill this critical gap. We are here with a solution that is Genie Box, which is a grade specific box which starts from grade 3 till grade 10. So I'm showing a model from grade 6 where they will be learning about the coordination of muscle and bone, which helps in the movement of the hand. The balloon, when it gets inflated, it represents a muscle. The balloon, when it contracts, the hand raises up. Soon the balloon again, it gets deflated. That is the muscle. When it relaxes, again the hand moves to its original position. It becomes flat again. So this is how the bone and muscle, they coordinate and help in the movement of the hand. So in this way, there are different models through which they can understand. So here you can see there is a model of catapult through which they can understand about potential energy and kinetic energy. There is a model of brain through which they can understand what are different areas in the brain they control and coordinate different senses. There is a model of this bird through which they can understand center of mass. There is a model of through which they can understand conservation of energy. So there are different models. There is a model called tabla tubes through which they can understand. So just let me play this. This is again, they can understand that when the length of these pipes, they change, the frequency changes. So children can clearly understand that there is a relation between the length of the air column and the frequency of the sound. So in this way, they can understand different concepts of science in a crystal clear way by using these Genie boxes. Thank you.